Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to tell you that how you can make iron rich smoothie for anemia. We are going to tell you a recipe which is healthy as well as tasty. For this we have taken mint leaves, jaggery, banana, orange, spinach and some other ingredients too. So watch this full video to get details. Here we have taken a pan and now we are going to add some water in it. Now after this you have to add your spinach in it and leave it for 1 to 2 minutes. This will help to remove all the harmful bacteria from this green leafy vegetable. See, now it's almost done. We are ready to move on the second step. Take a mixer blender and now you have to add a medium sized banana. It contains so many powerful antioxidants which are really needed for your body. Now we are going to add 2 small pieces of jaggery. If you have jaggery powder then you can use that too. After this we are going to add some coriander leaves for a good taste. The combination of all these ingredients work very well for a healthy body. Now after this we are going to add the spinach leaves in it. We have added almost 5 to 6 spinach leaves. No other green vegetable contains higher amount of iron as compared to spinach. However, you must also note down that iron present in it is not easily digestible. That is why combining vitamin C is really important. Vitamin C will help in the easy digestion of iron. We have added 3 to 4 pieces of orange in it. And now we are going to add a glass of coconut milk in it, which is better than cow milk for making smoothie. Now we are going to blend it in a mixer grinder. See, it's almost ready. Children will also gonna love this smoothie as we have added many good things for a better taste, and only a single glass is enough to meet the deficiency of iron in your body. See, it's ready. You can also add some ice cubes in it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share.